Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at this incredibly simple and easy way that you can get started with today. And look, it's that simple, you can even do it using just your phone. You can do this from anywhere in the world and it's 100% free. So look, comment down below for me why you want to make money on YouTube, and what I'm going to do is we're going to pick a winner and the winner will get access to my course. And also there's some links down below for some free YouTube resources and lots more. So if we come over here, let's go onto YouTube and look at shorts. So you can see here, just this here, hashtag shorts, is currently getting over 1 million searches every single month. And if we scroll through and look at some of these videos on here, they're just going insane with the number of views. I mean, Mr. Beast, obviously. I mean, look at the numbers on these videos. It's just ridiculous. But we're not going to make money by, uploading nonsense like a lot of this. We want to be more specific about this, and we want to go into a certain category or a certain niche. Now, let me give you a couple of examples of this. So if I come up here, we go to hashtag shorts, and we're just going to type in plus. And now look, here we start to get some ideas. So we've got weight loss, we've got travel, affiliate marketing, fitness. Any one of these will work for what we're going to be looking at today. So if I click on, look, woodworking as an example. We click on there and then we're going to scroll down here and have a look at some of these ideas. Okay, so look, you can see 30-second videos, and this one here, again, they're all really simple videos. So I mean, look at this one here. It's literally someone drilling into a piece of wood. Come further on the page, we've got more on here. If we go further up the page, this is how you can decide on a simple category or a niche. We could go with, let's say travel, for example. Okay. So this will start to give you some ideas of a category that you can go into, okay? So I'm going to come further down the page here. And look at this. 3 things you must see in France, hashtag shorts. I mean, this video here, this is, in fact, we'll do this based around this video here, because all of these sorts of videos here, I mean, this one as well, they're all really simple and easy to do. So let's go with this one as an example, okay? So let's say we wanted to go into the travel niche for this, okay? So instead of going with France, we'll go with, let's go with Spain, okay? So we're going to create an account around, things that we're going to be doing over in Spain. So for this, we're going to need a couple of tools. So the first one we're going to need is this piece of software over here. It's called it's called VidIQ. You can get this, again, there's a link to this down below. It's absolutely free. So I'm going to come over here and we're just going to type in some different keywords and phrases related to our niche or category. So 3 things you must see in France. Let's just go with, I don't know, 5 things you must see in Spain. Okay. And then what this is going to do is it's going to bring relevant keywords. It will show you the search volume for this. It will show you the competition and the overall rating for this. So you can see on here. So this here will give you a few ideas and suggestions. And let's just type in some other words. So we can just type in travel in Spain as an example. And we just play around with this. So look, travel in Spain. Look, there's currently, it's a decent search volume every single month. Competition is medium. And then overall number of keywords that we're going to be looking at. So you can use this here to start to get some ideas for your different keywords that you're going to be putting in here. Another site that you can use, which again is absolutely free, is come over here and it's called Ask the Public. And you can start to get more ideas from these 2 free tools here. So if we come in here and we're just going to type in, so we'll go back over to keywords everywhere. I'm going to type, I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to come over here and then we're going to type in things to do, or things to see in Spain, okay? And basically, all we're doing here is we're going to start creating a list of ideas for future videos, okay? So in a second, you just scroll down the page here, look, things to see in Spain, 80 questions. So these here are questions that people are actively asking online. So if we come down here, look, what are the best things to see in Spain? What are some of the cool things to see in Spain? So you can start taking these from here. So cool things to see in Spain, we'll take that over there and we'll type that in, cool things to see in Spain, okay? And then it will come up, look. Cool. I mean, look at that again. a decent search volume for this. So use these two websites together, and like I mentioned, they're both free. So you can go through and you see all of these here. These could all be videos. These could all be videos. These could be, and these could be. Now you can also download this as well, but if you come further on the page as well, they normally do this, and you can see on here, look, let me just get rid of this up here for you. So look, things to see in Barcelona, and you can just go through and start to get ideas for your videos. Okay, really simple, really straightforward. So we've decided on a category or a niche, which is the travel niche. We've got different keywords for our video that we're going to need to create. Again, simple and easy. So now we've got this, what could we do? Well, we need a piece of software. So the one I use and recommend is this one over here, and there's a link to this down below. And again, it's absolutely free. So this is what it looks like inside of the software. Now very quickly, let me just show you this. So if I come over here and we'll go to, why is that not doing that? Sorry. We'll come over here. You can see in video, if I scroll down here, you can go to, where's it gone? Pricing. Look, this is it. Look, free account. There is a business account and there's also an unlimited account. Now, I have the unlimited one, but for this method, you can simply go with the free version. You can see you get an in-video watermark. It's a tiny little watermark in the bottom right-hand corner of the video. You get 5,000 video templates, there's media library, text-to-speech, and you can also create a video for up to 15 minutes, which is pretty cool. So what I would say is if you're going down this method, start with a free one. Once you start to make some money, upgrade to the business one, so then you can remove the watermark, and you can also get Film Pro, which is pretty cool. But for this, you can start with the free version. So if I come back over here, this is what it looks like inside of the software. Now, because we're creating a YouTube short, we just click on vertical. Really simple stuff. Once we've done that, we then scroll down, and look, these are all just templates that you can use for your video. So you go through and you just simply select any one of these templates that you like the look of, okay? So let's scroll down and see if there's any more. Look, what's hot? Scroll further on the page, you've got there's thousands of different templates in here that you can use. You can even go up here and just type in a keyword. So we'll type in travel and we'll hit on go, and look, it's brought up all of these different templates that we can use. Okay, so let's just go with this one here. Okay, scroll down here, use this template, and then in a second, look, it loads up, and then you've got a couple of options here, and then look, we're nearly done, and then we'll move on to the cool part, which is where you make the money with this. Okay, so let me get rid of this here. So whilst this is here, so look, this is at this moment in time, this is how it looks at this moment. Okay, so on the left hand side, you've got templates, all of these that you can do. So you've got two options with this. So on the left hand side here, you can go ahead and search for videos inside of this platform here. So you simply type on here. So let's just say we're typing, let's just go Spain. Let's see if anything comes up for that. I'm going to hit the search, the magnifying glass, and that's going to search through all of their existing, you can see on here, it's going to go through iStock and also all of their premium media to find videos related to your keywords up here. So you can go through this. You can also upload, you can also search for the images. So again, we just type in Spain and click on search, and then you can also include, look, you can see here, include bing.com results. So if you want that as well in there, you just simply click on there. Okay, and it just takes a second, and then look, it brings up all of the images for you. You can also upload your own if you really wanted to, so you go to uploads on here, but it's genuinely a simple process. So all we're doing here is let's just say if we wanted this image here, we just click on there and then it goes over here. Okay, so let me get rid of the first one. Let me get rid of that, and you see this one here, we're just going to drag this up here like so. We're just going to basically make it fit the actual video. I'm going to take that down here. I'm going to drag that up to there, okay? Then our text here, you can change this to whatever you want. So if this video was, specifically about Spain, you can drag that again, you can drag and drop this wherever you want. So if we just click on here and come on the left hand side, we're going to go down to text. You can also add in additional text. If you don't like this text over here, you can change it. You can make it bigger up here if you want. You can change the color of this. You can filter. Basically, you can play around with this as much or as little as you want. Okay, but if you don't want this on here, you can simply just delete this like so. So just click on there and click on delete, and we click on that one and we click on delete. If you want, a heading, you can click on there and it just goes over here. Okay, so then just type on there and you can just type in 5 things to see in Spain. Okay, and again, if you don't want it there, you can do this. Basically just play around with this. Okay, but this here, you see down here, this is your timeline of the video. So this here, sorry, let me just drag that back over there. This here, scene 1, 5 things to see in Spain. Then down here you've got scene 2. So again, you just put in a different image in the background or a video and change the text on here. That's it. It's a simple process. Once you're happy with this, we then just click on download and share. So basically, you download this onto your laptop or your phone. Once you've got that video, you take it over to YouTube and you upload it. I think you'll agree it's a very straightforward process using these free tools that we've looked at. So far, doing a recap, we're using keywords everywhere over here to give us some ideas for our keywords. We're using Answer the Public to get more, video ideas. We're then using this piece of software, this InVideo, to go ahead and create the videos for us. And look, you might be thinking, well, I don't have a clue about, things to do in Spain or, any niche that you go into. Some really simple things that you can do with this is, if we come over here on Google, you can just do this. So you can type in, I don't know, 5 things to do in Spain. Just go on here and literally, there'll be hundreds of websites with different ideas, and you can simply just go on there and take some of the text that were there. So if we come down here, look, 26 best things to do in Spain. Pick 5. It's that simple. So come on here, pick 5. So look, this one. Let me just get rid of that. But basically, you just go through these, and because this is a YouTube short, you don't need to, put all of this text in below. You can just literally hit as many summer music festivals as possible in Barcelona. That there would be an additional slide for you on here. So far, I think you'll agree it's pretty straightforward and simple. And the thing is, in the beginning, it'll take a little bit of time for you, to get the hang of this software here and start, getting in some momentum with this. But it's not difficult. It's very simple. And this is using all free tools. And so far, we're looking at the travel niche. But look, you can do any niche you want to. You could do pets, you could do animals, you could do, weight loss, absolutely anything. Just come on here and type in the plus sign, and look, you've got all of these different ideas. So look, if we're on let's just go with dogs, for example. I know that there's currently lots of channels taking off using, animals and dog training, like fun videos and silly videos. But if I scroll down here, look, you can see there's loads of these on here. And look at this, how it feels to have 3 dogs. Just someone recorded 3 dogs. So this niche, this is great because you can find lots of different ways to monetize this as well. So look, 10 husky facts, that's an actual proper video. But you can go through and literally create all of these videos using this InVideo piece of software that we've looked at so far. Okay, so now we've gone on to this, we need to work out how we're actually going to, monetize this and make some money. So there's a number of ways that you can do this. So the first one is obviously affiliate marketing. So if I come back over onto here, let's just come on here, let's get rid of this. You can find products over on sites like, let's just go with this, for example. So we'll just go with dog affiliate programs. So you can come on here, look, 10 top best dog affiliate programs. Go through these and find, affiliate programs where you can find products for, the niche or the category that you're going into. And look, you can see on here, look, Chewy affiliate program. Further on the page here, we've got this one here, Fitback. We've got another one here. There's hundreds of different places whereby you can get affiliate links. And basically, all you do here is we're including that link in our YouTube description. So you can go through and apply to these platforms here. A simple and a quick way is just simply go over to Clickbank. And again, we're just going to get a link from here. So let me quickly log in. we'll log into Clickbank. I'm just going to blank this out on here. And then once I'm inside of here, we just go to the marketplace. And then we just look on the left hand side here, you've got all these different categories whereby you can find products. So if we come up here and we just type in dog training, scroll down here, look, dog training secrets, come down here, brain training for dogs. There's lots of these. So to promote any really long ugly link, and I'll show you how to get rid of that ugly link in a second, but we'll click on generate hop link. Now you see this here, this is our link. So we copy that, and then what we do is inside of our video that we're uploading to YouTube, we simply put that link down below. So if I come over here, I'll show you how to shorten this. So we'd go to bit.ly, go to bit.ly.com. This is a link shortener, and basically instead of it being a real long ugly link like the one we've got on Clickbank, we get a shorter one. So I click on create and I'm going to paste that into here. Scroll further down the page here. Sorry, I moved my head, and we click on create. And then look, you see this up here? This is our short link. So that link there we include in our YouTube description. Pretty straightforward. Another way that you can monetize this is with things like merch. So again, you can use sites like you could use Teespring. You can use Redbubble. There's hundreds of these, and again, these are all free to sign up with. So Teespring here, how this works is, you see all of these images on here. You can put these. I mean, look, there's one of mine. But look, basically, you take an image and you put it over the top of a t-shirt, and you can include a link to that in your YouTube description, and you can get paid money that way. So that's just two different ways that you can monetize these YouTube shorts. Another way that you can do this is once you've uploaded that video onto YouTube, you can then take it and put that video onto TikTok, and you can take the same video and you can also put that over onto Instagram. So you're starting to get this omnipresence online whereby you've created one video, which is a short, and you have it on multiple platforms, and you can have links to your merch products over here. You can have it over to different affiliate products that you found over on Clickbank. You could even go one step further and create your own courses and products. That's further down the road maybe, but overall this is a really simple and easy way that you can make money online. Now look, if you want to learn about this a bit more in depth, check the link out down below. You can get my free YouTube course. We go over the upload process and keyword titles and tags and lots more, and it's 100% free. So check that link down below. But look, that's today's video. That's how you make money with YouTube Shorts without being on camera, without having to talk, and without having to spend any money. It's simple, it's easy, and what will it take? Just some time, effort, and consistency. So look, I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please give the video a like. I'd really appreciate that. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. And don't forget to comment down below to be in with a chance of winning my paid premium course. So thanks again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.